Are you looking to create stunning, high-quality videos like this and take your content to the next level? What if I told you there's an AI tool that's insanely powerful and absolutely free, no fees, no watermarks, no catch? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you one of the best 100% free AI tools out there. And trust me, it's a total game changer. Whether you're into content creation, marketing, design, or just exploring AI for fun, this tool gives you pro-level results without spending a dime. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it to generate high-quality content with zero cost, and you won't believe how easy it is. So if you're ready to level up your workflow for free, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and let's jump right in. The tool I'm talking about is Dreamina AI, and you can access it through the link provided in the description. Now let's talk about how you can create unlimited videos using this tool. Please note that this tool is not entirely free for everyone. However, I've discovered a special trick that allows you to access it for free and use it without any limitations. Step 1. First, you need to open your VPN. I'm using NordVPN, and I have provided the link in the description so you can access it easily. Once your VPN is active, you need to change your location. Set your location to any country in Africa. I set it to Nigeria. Let's head back to the website. Now simply click on the Sign In button to get started. Here, you'll see several options to sign in. I'll go ahead and sign in using my Google account. Please note that you must use a new account that has never been used on Dreamina AI before for this to work. Once the sign-in process is complete, the platform will ask for your date of birth. Simply fill it in. After that, you'll see an interface where you can select your preferences based on your profession. Choose whatever suits you. Now, as you can see, the trick has worked. Your account shows 0 credits, which means we've successfully bypassed the credit system. You can now use this tool unlimitedly and for free. Let's try it out. Now let's give it a simple prompt. A white cat dancing in the rain. Then click on Generate. And boom, the results are amazing. Next, let's move on to the video creation part. Click on AI image. From here, you can create AI-generated videos, avatar videos, and even mimic motion videos. However, at the moment, this tool isn't unlocked. When you tap on it, it doesn't open. But don't worry, we'll use our second trick. Let's go back to the VPN and change the location from Nigeria to any country in Europe. I'll select United Kingdom. Now come back and refresh the page once. And boom, all features are unlocked. You can see that our credits are still intact, which means we can now create unlimited videos completely for free. Alright, let's try it out now. To create a video, you need to enter your prompt into this box. I'll start with a simple prompt. A polar bear walking on snow-covered ice. Next, you can select the video ratio. I'll keep it at 16:9, which is ideal for widescreen formats. Then, choose your video model. I'll select Video 3.0, as it delivers the best results. After that, you can set the video duration. Here, you have the option to create videos ranging from 5 to 10 seconds. For now, I'll go with a 5-second video. Finally, click on the Generate button to start the video creation process. It may take a few minutes to render the video. In the meantime, I'll try generating a few more videos. I've prepared some prompts with the help of ChatGPT, so let's create videos using those and see what kind of results we get. Now paste your prompt into the box and click Generate to begin. I'm now going to create more videos using prompts generated by ChatGPT, following the same streamlined process used earlier to produce high-quality, engaging content. All the videos are now fully ready and finalized. You can conveniently download each one individually at your own pace. Let's start by watching the first video, which I created using a simple prompt. Now let me show you the videos I created using prompts generated by ChatGPT. I really like the results of these videos, and if you did too, please let me know in the comments. Just before we end, here's one final tip you won't want to miss. If you don't have NordVPN, you can join my Telegram channel where I'll share a powerful free VPN that will make it much easier for you to create videos like these. And that's it. Now you too can create unlimited videos for free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it. Also, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on amazing AI tool tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.